fourth edition Mining Investment Asia. So welcome to our event. Can you introduce yourself to our viewers, who you are and which company you represent?
Sure. Andrew Heinrichs. I'm Director of Strategic Venture Fund. We're a private investor for Chinese mining companies, especially the engineering and construction companies that develop mines. So we look at not only brownfields, but greenfields. Of course, policies like Idailu, One Belt, One Road, that try to bring in the supply chain around China and how it can support Chinese economic growth.
All right. So what is the outlook for mining industry for 2018 and beyond?
Well, it depends, of course, if you're talking metals, if you're talking energy, if you're talking clean tech. Mass response would be with lithium and cobalts and graphites, in fact, of course. But from the Chinese perspective, these things are important for energy, power, battery storage, these matters. But there are a lot of overlooked sectors: mineral sands, tailings, care and maintenance, reclamation of projects that you wouldn't necessarily think, well, how does a tailing project that is almost in reclamation apply to a clean tech portfolio? So those things get overlooked, and it's something that we try to take advantage of those opportunities. Faster turns to cash flow, faster production, shipment schedules, and so forth, and it means a much lower risk profile.
All right. So is that one of the key challenges that you're facing in mining industry, or only for market, or is there any
Yes, the Chinese market will definitely have a very different appetite, where, let's say, if you have ASX, TSX, or London Exchange, appetites are a greenfield that is small cap and a very, they have very good geological engineering and metallurgical communities, professional communities over there. Whereas, let's say if you're feeding into China, your offtake agreement, the horizon, the runway for development, for supply is going to be longer, but it will be a longer term commitment as well.
All right. So as a speaker for our event, Mining Investment Asia, so does anything that benefit your company out when you are attending this event?
Oh, incredibly. If it wasn't for events like this and organizers out here that have put into, it's not just reaching out to, let's say, investment promotion agencies around Southeast Asia, for example, and across Asia and all over. This isn't something that we would necessarily know how to find. For example, we met the Malaysian Investment Promotion Agency, the Indonesian associations and chambers as well, and each one of them, in fact, will have constituents and members, 100 plus behind them. So in fact, even though you're meeting a delegate of only half a dozen people, there's 100 companies behind them. And so it's an incredible value just attending here.
It's good to hear.
It is.
You see, we really want to say thank you for coming to our event.
Thank you for inviting
Really
us.
nice meeting you, Andrew.
Thank you.